I'm David Barrett. I'm the National Program Director for the Master's Certificate in Project Management. Project management is no longer just a profession. It's a competency that organizations, departments, and divisions now want to see in their people. It gives us the ability as professionals, regardless of the field we're in, to think more strategically and more process-oriented. The Master's Certificate in Project Management is a very interactive, experiential-based program. All of our instructors are selected because of their experience in the field. We want them to tell stories. And then, most importantly, let's get the discussion going. We teach us all how to start a project, scheduling, and more importantly than scheduling, control. We get into risk analysis, what could go wrong. We go through the budgeting and the control of the budget, and we go into the communications plan, contracting, procurement, and quality management. We finish off the program with an agile module that teaches us the alternative to the waterfall approach, and we wrap up the program with an execution of this project simulation that we're running through the whole program, so we know how to pull it all together. We know people love this program when we know how much it does, or it can contribute to their careers. The return on investment, its culture, its practices, its rigor, its structure, most importantly, it's more successful projects delivered on time, on budget, and on scope.